Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to enter coordinates on Google Maps on Android. This is very easy and simple. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Now let's start. First open Google Maps on your phone. Now see which is coordinates. Long tap on the map and then see this is coordinate. See here, this is coordinates of this location. See here, this is the coordinates of this location. Now, if you have a coordinates number, then you can find and draw the exact location by entering this number, coordinates number. Now see how this is. Tap here and then paste the coordinates number which you have and then enter. See here, this is the coordinates number and Google Map marked this. This is your coordinates numbers location. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.